So as I have just sat down to start editing, I've realised I've filmed almost the entire thing on my camera, not Stab's, in 4:3 rather than 16:9 aspect ratios. So I apologise for that. It'll jump between the two, I think. Hopefully it won't trim Stab's down, otherwise you'll lose some of the image. So we shall see. Just wanted a quick heads up on that one. Good morning, guys, or evening or afternoon or whatever time you're watching this. I'm in my garage. There is the Subaru. Lindsay's the other side of his car, and today we are going to fit 350Z Decats. For those of you for those of you who are watching this video and have done it before, you are fully aware that it is an absolute 12 watts of a job. We're going to do it anyway because I think it'll make a cool video, little how-to video on how to change them. He's currently just getting the car up in the air. We were working on the floor as always because I'm not cool enough to have a ramp, and we will get torn into it. Come on, Lindsay, do us a heckin' reveal. Shop dog! So Jax is even watching himself. Go on, mate, work it. Do it now, do it good. Cut that package just like you should. Always use knives responsibly, kids. Oh great, they haven't got lambda sensors in. Oh, that's going to be fun. Look at these bad boys. Are they even branded, or are they just like some home? Oh, they're Cobras. Sweet. No gaskets?
No, this is no.
Just adjust this camera. No gaskets. Fun. All of the exhaust putty then. So these are the absolute gems. That flange there, and honestly, not as rusty as I thought they were going to be.
Sensors look alright, so I think.
Yeah, I think it can be deceiving though sometimes. So basically, gonna have to fight these undone. I do remember that bottom one being a right penis, because it faces the wrong way, and the lambda sensors. But hopefully those ones come off all right because Lindsay's had a catback system fitted. Or was it on the car?
It was already on the car.
So we're gonna insert a clip here of a drive-by. It's currently got a de-resonated catback Miltech system on it, and it's surprisingly quiet. First things first, lubrication of the bolts. Perfect. Lambda sensors just hit me in the face like a big floppy dick. Just keeps bouncing off my chin. Remember, kids, always look after your nuts. So, 15. There's a bolt just there, but the head is on the other side, so I think that's the one you have to get from the engine bay, which I don't remember doing last time. I think this is a different engine, possibly. I don't know if it makes any difference, but just film my fucking beard eyes. Stav's asleep. I forgot to tell him what time we were doing this, and if I ring him or message him now, he won't hear it because he's asleep. and I'm too lazy to go around his house and get him up. So I'm flying solo on this one, guys. I need to get this off, and this off. So strut brace and the intake setups, which Lindsay's going to sit in now and unplug all the intake systems for me. At this point, okay guys, we'll figure out where this goes later. I don't know at this point. It come out, I didn't have to pull it too hard, so it came out. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll try and if it's on the screen, I'll put a ring around it. It's quite difficult to see, but there is a bolt dead buried down in there that we've got to get through here, which looks fun. So I will do that now, and show you how much of a twat it is. I'll tell you how much of a twat it is. So, caps are off. This bolt is the one you get from the past the air intakes. It came this far. As soon as it got to this little bit, it just snapped. It doesn't matter. I could get that if I needed to, but we don't because this isn't going back in. Lambda sensors, these things are always fun. So, oh, they've moved it. We got lucky with the first one. This one's gone really tight, so we're just letting some WD-40 work its magic, see if that helps it a little bit. I don't want to break it because they're expensive. And Stav joined us. So I want to keep tackling getting this out, get them in the new sense, get the new cats out, get them all cleaned up and ready to go. We don't have any gaskets. Of course we don't have any gaskets, so I'm going to use some paste, and then Lindsay's going to get some gaskets at a later date that we will fit. Just try not to get it in the holes. Top tip, guys, next time you have to remove your lambda sensors, that shit will save your life. Go on, Lindsay, put it in.
Here we have the Cobra Decats on the old 350. That's up, Lindsay, that's not turning it down. Yeah, albino. Some new freshy bolts. Copper slip everywhere. Turbo, are you sitting out of space in here? Where the
Look,
where are you going to get?
Anything over the last couple of weeks, it's that Stav loves making stainless steel pipes. I'm making a turbo fucking manifold. Welcome back, guys. I'm not sure what Stavros filmed, but the decats are on. A bit of a pig, but we got their Lindesay. It's actually really, no, it's not bad. Mating up to the Miltech was probably the hardest bit. We used a bit of exhaust gum just to make sure it seals, put new bolts in. Lambda sensors all connected. Brace is done back up. It's very difficult to film because I'm doing it above my chest. Stav and Lindesay just get the engine bay, put that together. So now we get to take it out for another drive-by, flyby video and see what the sound difference is like. Hopefully, it sounds pretty freaking sick.